You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same shows. So please be quiet, I'm being polite. You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with.
Hello guys and girls, and welcome back. It's Big John here. The app's at the bottom of the screen if you like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today, you know what it is. I'm back again with some more free pips. That's why I keep putting the caption there. I keep putting free pips, free pips, free pips. If you'd like to get into my mentorship or my signal group about any of these trades or anything like that, then please hit me up. The link is in the description below. In my mentorship, I actually go over the minor pairs as well as gold, as well as some of the indices as well. So you'll be able to capture a lot of these pips or have a broader aspect on being able to see so many different pairs doing whatever they need to be doing and pairs you might be interested in. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Let's go. Okay guys and girls, I am back on my chart. I have the daily chart on my left, I have the weekly chart on my right, and I have my nice clean charts. All I have here is levels of support and resistance where we believe price could go towards, and you have been seeing such beautiful price action on Euro USD lately. We did look at a possible rejection sell from this level around about here, so let me just get my tool out. So from around about this level here, we was looking at a rejection sell. We said if anything it might buy up to here, but we did get a tap here once, a tap here twice, and then we started to see the sell going down. And then what we did, we started to call out levels of where price could go towards. So our first target zone was around here, and then our second target zone was around this level here, and we can see price has now beautifully broken that level, and we're looking at a continuation to this level down here, which is 1.16643. So we're looking at price going towards here, possibly catching a support, and then from there now we might see a reversal for a buy. I'm not expecting it to be instant, so we'll see how it plays out, but let's see if price actually supports this level. If not, we can see down on the weekly time frame that there is another level down here, which is 1.16009. Price could go towards there, because if you look here on the weekly time frame, there is liquidity over here. Gbpjpy, beautiful. I did 3 arrows here. This is also something I gave out in my mentorship group. If you'd like to join that up, please don't hesitate. The link for my Discord is down below in the description. Hit me up there. Trust me, the prices are so seriously competitive. It's just realistically crazy what's going on here, and the amount of knowledge I'm giving away is insane. But as I was saying, there is a sell that we managed to see from here. This was a nice level of rejection around here. I did say this level specifically. We see price couldn't break here on the daily time frame. What we saw next is we did have a bit of consolidation, then we did have a bit of a slow mover at first, but you know, patience does pay, and this is something we evaluated in the mentorship group. This is something we went over again, because sometimes we were looking at it and we was getting a little bit impatient, sometimes, and it happens. We're traders. But what actually happened here is price did exactly what we expected it to do. There was a reversal with a breakout straight down towards the downside again, a possible TP level of here, and then down here, and then now we believe it might go and cover that liquidity down there. So yes, I'm sure you're liking this, guys and girls. These are some free pips I'm giving out right now. Gbpusd, as you can see right now, we did have a level of resistance right here, which was called out from last week as well. We could see price touch this level several times. This is exactly what happened here. Then we had a slow mover as well. There was a bit of slow movers. It was about 2 weeks of slow movers, but they eventually did pay off, and as you can see, price rejected, and we had a target level of here. Price smashed through that level, also went towards this secondary level that we're looking at here, smashed through that level, and now we're expecting price to possibly go towards this level here. We can see that this is a massive liquidity on the weekly time frame, even though it has been covered before, and there's still some area towards here which price could go towards in a down momentum. So we'll be looking at some type of support around this level here or a bit lower, but as price keeps moving, of course I'll keep you updated. Usdjpy, as we can see from Usdjpy, we're not really seeing too much price action, just got a lot of consolidation here, a lot of liquidity left on the weekly time frame to the top side and to the downside. We are waiting for price to break out on this pair, so there's no need for us to even bother looking at this pair right now. We want it to either go up or down, and then we'll find a trade from there. So that is Usdjpy. USDCHF, this is what I'm talking about in Usdjpy. You see how this price is starting to break out towards the top side, so I'm expecting price to go towards this liquidity up here, which is 0.94714. If it goes towards this area here, find some type of resistance, then that would be a great look for a long-term sell back down towards this level here and possibly further. I mean, it would be nice to see what price would do. If it leaves any liquidity as it buys up, it could of course reverse and then cover the liquidity back down towards the downside. So that's what we'll see on USDCHF, hopefully so, if it continues to go up towards this level here. AUD, beautiful price action here. We can see price did go towards our initial support and we did catch this buy going up, and then we also was able to suggest that there was a possible reversal for a sell here. This is what was marked out. This is what I put on YouTube as well for everybody. This is trades before and after as well. This isn't just me showing you charts that have moved. So anyone that is new to the channel, you know, the previous videos that are there, they all show levels of where I said price could go toward and where we could possibly see rejections, and this is what we're seeing, especially even if you see breakouts of highs and stuff like that. And I say, you know, you might see something like this happen. So we can see that there was a beautiful rejection here. Price came back in, so it faked people out, came back in, and it's managed to go towards our first target zone, which there was weekly liquidity here. If you look over on the weekly time frame, there is liquidity right here, so it's gone to cover that. And then now we can see that there was daily liquidity down here. Price has gone to cover that as well. So if it is going to go anywhere else, it might find a support here, or it could find a support here. So we'll see how it plays out, but for now we're just going to be looking for buys once it finds some type of level of support. Usdcad, as we can see here on Usdcad, just like what I said from the first even week's video, after we see a long-term sell and we see a possible level of where the market can go towards, this was my first level here, but it did manage to break through that level, just like you saw on AUD with a break of the high. This was a break of the low, pulled back in, found a support around this level. You can even see on a daily time frame it was struggling to break this level. Most likely what we will be seeing is a buy towards this level up here. As we can see, this was a massive weekly liquidity zone here, so there's a double liquidity. If you look on the weekly time frame, you even got another one over towards that side there. So we're looking to see if price goes towards here, finds a resistance, and then if it does, then we should be looking for a possible sell back down. I can see there's liquidity here left on the weekly time frame, so price could go back down and sell towards this level right here. So yes, that about sums it up, guys and girls. Like I said, nice, short and brief, just getting to the point, just making sure people can catch some of these trades. If you are catching these trades, please put some comments below. You know, don't be shy, don't be like that as well. You know, come on, this is free information out here, and it's not everybody that's going to be giving away just trade setups like this. I've been doing a lot of this before in my Discord, but I said, why not bring this to YouTube so everybody can succeed at this in terms of finding these trade setups, or even if it just helps them with technical analysis. You know, I said, why not bring it to YouTube? Because some people don't like to use Discord, they prefer to use WhatsApp, Telegram. I'm only on Discord. I don't really use those services because you can't, you know, segment your groups, which I think is crucial in terms of if you're doing mentorship or trying to actually teach people valuable information in different segments or sections on some type of talking platform or texting platform, should we say. So on that note, I'm going to leave you there. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's your boy Big John, and I'm out.